Hi, so this is my medieval project. And this is the final thing. These are all of my 5 me's and my toys circle. So these were my references, and I decided to do the hallway in the office as my place. So for blending modes, I used lighter color for the candle wax to make it glow a little better, and multiply because I made brushes to draw in some shadows, and multiply made it blend better. So these are the 2 brushes I made, super smooth and the lighter shadows brush. All of these shadows have smart filters on them. I think everything here was masked initially, but I had to turn into a smart layer, and then I had to rasterize it for whatever reason. Almost everything here was masked at one point. Like, for example, this bookcase, the cabinets. Yeah, these are already rasterized, so you can't really tell anymore. I think every single layer here has either a brightness or contrast, or hue and saturation, non-destructive adjustment. For the style, I chose orange background, which is basically this orange background in the back of my portrait, I guess. And it's just to make it look like a cloth instead of like a boring orange background. It looks more natural, I guess. The lighting I did using the brushes I made and the mixer brush. And then I basically just put the opacity lighter and then blurred it out a little bit. So, for example, these were all my painted lightings that I did. And then these are lightings that I made with shapes. And then I added the painted, like the mixer brush on top of it. And without it looks really dumb. So this, like, the background is just windows on top of other windows, basically. So, like, yeah. Except I intentionally made it curve inward because I liked how this kind of curved inward, so I just made the whole building. I think what I kept the most from Dash was either the floor, which is the same tile, except it's blue and a little more medieval. The door, which is essentially the same. So adjustment layer on top, and I added these mosaics instead of the glass that we have. These toys are in the shelves. These are on the cabinets. I also added this photo filter. So yeah, that was my project. Bye.